Hello, welcome to Cooking with Matab channel. Tomato penne pasta is a delicious and popular dish made with tomato sauce that you can easily make at home and enjoy. Stay with me as we make it together. To start, puree 6 washed medium tomatoes in a chopper. If you don't have one, you can grate them instead. We need about 1 glass of tomato puree. Next, take 3 tablespoons of breakfast cream, equivalent to 150 grams. Pour it into a bowl and add 1/3 glass of milk and stir well to combine. Then heat it over the steam of a kettle to make it smooth as shown in the video. Add 3 tablespoons of salt to the boiling water in the pot. Add 300 grams from a 500-gram pack of penne pasta along with boiling water and salt and drain according to the instructions on the package. I drained it after 12 minutes. After draining, pour some cold water over it to give it a thermal shock and prevent it from becoming sticky. Next, pour some oil into a suitable pan, add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until fried. Once the onions are fried, add 3 grated garlic cloves and sauté for 1 minute to release the garlic aroma. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper and turmeric and sauté. Then add 10 grams of butter at this stage for a better taste in your pasta. Add a glass of tomato puree at this stage and stir to make it completely smooth. When it gets thicker, add a tip of a teaspoon of salt. Once it starts boiling, add the heated cream and stir. Add a handful of finely chopped fresh parsley and mix. Now just pour the drained pasta into the pan and mix well to coat the pasta with the sauce. For about 2 to 3 minutes. Then use Parmesan cheese as desired and as much as needed. That's how easily you made the most delicious tomato penne pasta. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. Thank you for staying with me until the end. All the cookbooks are available for free in the bio link if you would like to go and download them for free. I would be happy if you subscribe to the Cooking with Matab channel and stay with me.